Mahigala na takaron diri sa University of Cebu ang Civil Engineer Licensure Exam 6 Pleaser si Engineer Philip Lorenz Nacua. Nakaroon diri no, nibisita sa iyang eskwelahan si Engineer Nacua. Kauban niya ang Dean sa College of Engineering sa UC ug ingon man ang Chairman sa Civil Engineering course manghigala sa UC. Natakaroon diri lakaw diri sa vicinity sa University of Cebu Main, diri sa may Sanciangko, diri sa Dakbayan sa Cebu. Mo courtesy call si Engineer Nacua sa tag-iya sa University of Cebu, si Attorney Augusto Go.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. Ang kawanan sa University of Cebu ang dapit nga daghan kayo mga top-notchers. Okay. Sa ni administration building ni siya diri sir. Okay.
The last 3 weeks, sige na ni Kata. Kaya itong last 3 weeks, ang custom. Marag lima to.
Oh.
After medicine.
Oh.
Pero nakayawan ni, kursus ang civil.
Oh. So muna sir, recorded pa ni kuha lang tayong reaction sir no. Dili pa sila live kay walay signal during the pita. Say ang inyong di no sa College of Engineering si Engineer
Greg Belongilot.
Greg Belongilot. Sir, unsay reaction nimo sa pagtap sa inyong estudyante?
Again, getting to be habit because UC is always aiming good nga all our graduates will be giving prestige to UC. And again, this is another prestige to UC because Nacua is the sixth placer in the Civil Engineering Board exam, and he's only the graduate from
Cebu
nga
nakatap.
made it to the top.
Oh.
Ang mga top notcher is from UP. So this is not an ordinary board exam because 20,000 examiners,
Oh.
20,407, and our graduate is top 6. So UC is very proud of our graduate.
Unsay sekreto ninyo sir nga naka-produce mo og top notch sir? Di lang gani siya no sa previous pa nga mga examination.
At least as HEI, what ang among sekreto is we are giving the best our student nga ang among knowledge is based also to the curriculum, and the students are well founded in all the subjects in engineering.
Oh. Gi-expect ninyo ni si Nacua nga
We're
matap.
expecting him to become the one of the board professor because he graduated magna cum laude. Si Nacua.
Okay. Si engineer ang chairman ninyo sa civil engineering no? Ito nga na to gan engineer?
Engineer Larry Zafico.
Engineer Larry Zafico. Unsa man sa reaction nimo Engineer Larry?
I feel proud of Engineer Nacua because he is one of our cream of the crop graduate. He graduated magna cum laude, and it happened at the time that it's pandemic. No, they don't have a graduation at that time. It was canceled. But it serves to him as his advantage because he has 2 years to prepare for the board exam. And nakita gid nato ang resulta gid sir.
Okay, so congrats ninyo engineer ha. Sige, so ako ang interviewon og tiwas unya no. Anyway, adsa ta sa opisina ni Attorney Go. Unsa may feeling nimo day karon? Ha?
Lipay guys.
Okay. Okay, manghigala so nata no sa opisina. Opisina Attorney Go na ni. Okay. Okay, so taud-taud mga higala, no? Ako na ning potlon kay para unya na sad sa part 2 sa atong coverage.